Hey everyone! So I have a 12 by 12 canvas and I want to do a little different type of pour today. I have an egg separator that has grooves in it and a hole in the bottom. So I want to kind of put it at an angle, and we're just going to do a dirty pour through it just to kind of experiment with it. It's a new gadget. I'll grab myself a cup and we'll start layering the cup. I do want to spray it with the WD-40 silicone spray. All right. So I have some interesting colors. I am going to start it with black. And I'm going to follow that with silver. I'm going to start putting my color on the side of the cup. Then we're going to do Liquitex Brilliant Purple. Soho Dioxazine Violet. And then we'll do some Lucas Mint. And then this color I mixed up. It was the Lucas Steel Blue, and I added the mint to it just to lighten it up just a little bit. And then I'll throw some black in there. A little bit of white. A little bit of silver. And some more of the well, let's do the purple. The Brilliant Purple. Okay. That should be plenty of paint. Okay, I'm going to pinch the cup. And I'm going to pour quickly. I wanted it to come out through those grooves instead of just the bottom. So while you're watching, if you're new here, click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload the next video. So I'm just letting it come out a little bit more. It's still oozing through the hole, so I want to make sure it stops before I lift it completely off. Okay. Well, that's different. Something different for us. I do want to play with the skewer a little bit. Bring two in. And one out. Do I want to bring more out? I know I'm going to get some lacing here. There's a ton of paint on here, so I'm probably going to completely lose this black. So let's just stretch it out a little bit. Get things moving. The trick with anything that's like a bottle bottom pour or a strainer pour, you want to tilt slow so you don't lose your center. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go off a little bit here. Get it all back in the middle. I think I'll come down here next. I see some areas that I'd like to stretch out and see what we get. I'm getting a big white cell in the middle there. Let's take it this way. And back. And we're just going to go over the edge on this side. Alright. Just bringing it back towards the middle, which is unusual for me because usually I like everything off balanced. Let me give it a torch and see if we get some cells up through that black. I'm about 6 inches away from the paint. You don't want to burn your paint. I am getting more cells. Not where I want them. But I am getting more action in here. They're coming. So let's let this sit for 5 minutes and let's see if we get more that will come up through there. And we'll be back. Okay, so I let it sit for about 7 minutes. We did a few more cells through here. And I also messed around with the middle just a tad. So I didn't have that big white cell there, so I kind of burst it out with a skewer. And also I noticed the purples are really coming up now through the black, which makes it more of a purple painting than that minty steel blue that I wanted. But it is beautiful. Let me get it wiped here and I'll show you a little bit closer. So if you like it, click like and leave a comment. Check out all the links below. Shop with us on Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble, Teespring. Join our Facebook group, the Parage Posse, with Christina Welch. Check out our fan mail address below. If you're looking to get Stone Coat Art Coat resin, we do have a code. That is below as well. And if you think of something you want us to try here on the channel, leave us a message in the comment section and we'll put it on our list. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.